Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. Today I'll show you how to lock any app on your phone without using a password. No PIN, no pattern, no third-party app, just a smart built-in setting step-by-step method. First, open Settings, go to Apps. Now tap App Lock/App Protection. Select the apps you want to lock. Then tap on top left setting icon. Instead of a password, choose Enable Fingerprint, Enable Face Unlock. Once enabled, the app will only open with your fingerprint or face. No password needed. Extra tip: if your phone doesn't have app lock, use Secure Folder/Private Space. And move important apps there for extra protection. Ending. That's it. Your apps are now locked securely. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe to Guide Pro for more easy phone tips. Thanks for watching.